Okay, I am next door at my uncle's ex-landlord's house, and I'm going to show you the heating and cooling system. I'm going to try to be quiet because stupid rooster. So I really don't feel like talking that much out in the cold, but there's a kitten, random kitten. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. That's disgusting. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, you don't have no left eye. Right. Anyways, here is the Goodman heat pump. It only acts as a straight cool unit because they have a wood boiler, which is right over there. And the radiator is tied into the blower cabinet, which you can hear the blower running. That's blowing over the hot water radiator. That's what this big tank is for. But anyways, it's a Goodman from 2006, 0706 heat pump. Model GPH 1336H21AC, exact same unit as mine, except this is a 3-ton. R22 refrigerant, serial 0706. Blah, hang on, 0706005110. And then over here is the wood boiler. And there are some more kittens over there. Why are there so many kittens? I don't know. Here's the wood boiler. Right down there is the pump for it. Here's the brand. Hello. Outside wood burning furnace. And I'm just kidding, it's not that hot. But going back here's to where it's really hot. I'm not even daring to touch any part of it. 100, how many BTUs is this? Data manufacture 1205. 120,000 BTUs. Made in MS, I think that stands for Missouri. I'm not sure. But you can hear the pump. Anyways, over and out.